Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So this is gonna be my second video, and today I'll be doing a video on perm rod sets. I'm also gonna be using some rollers as well because I don't think I have sufficient perm rods to do my entire head. So I'll be doing perm rods and roller sets. So I have already washed my hair and I've added Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioning repair cream to my hair for moisture and for conditioning, especially the ends. As you can see, my hair ends are bleached and I have to ensure that they're properly moisturized to prevent any form of breakage. Alright, apart from those products, I'm also using a setting lotion. Comes in a bottle like this. Doesn't have to be any specific brand. This one was Orion Zimii. So it looks like this, guys, and I just use that and dilute it with water. This is an empty bottle that I had. I use this bottle to dilute the setting lotion with water, and the reason I use this bottle is because it mimics the foam of the original product. So let me show you. See, so this is just setting lotion, and it does mimic the original wrap set that was in there. So I'm using that instead of my regular spray bottle. I'm also gonna be using the olive oil Hold and Shine wrap set mousse infused with coconut oil. So I'll be using these two products throughout my hair. So let's get right into it. So my hair is still wet. I'm just going to take it section by section. I'm going to be starting with the little part right here. And I think I'm going to use the rollers at the top part of my hair because this section is the longer section of my hair. I'm just going to add the setting lotion mixture to my hair, ensure that it is saturated. And then I'm going to be using the olive oil wrap mousse. I'm just going to comb that out. And you just smooth to ensure that your natural curls are straightened. And I'm going to be curling the front of my hair towards my face like this. And I'm starting at one end and I'm kind of just smoothing it out. So you pull it down to the end and you smooth it as much as possible. So you're stretching it while you're rolling it to ensure that your hair is fully stretched, so you can get the volume that you're looking for when you're finished. So I'm just rolling the roots a little bit tighter. And like this. Hi guys, I'm back. So it's the next day. I think my hair is fully dried. This is what it looks like, the complete thing when I've completed my roller set and perm rod set. So now I'm just gonna take it down, and before you do that, you want to ensure that your fingertips have oil on it. So I'm just using some liquid oil. You can use whatever oil of your choice. It can be coconut oil, it can be argan oil, it can be olive oil, it can be whatever oil that you choose. Now look at this, guys, my curls are so defined. This is the final look, you guys. Curls are voluminous, very defined. There we go. That's the final look. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Please remember to like, subscribe, to share, hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Let me give you a twirl of the back. There we go. Alrighty. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.